Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Get Play Soon. In this video, we are going to discuss about few internship opportunities and few full-time opportunities in actually various locations like Pune, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Bangalore and Gurgaon. So if you are looking for opportunities, then please stay tuned with this video. We are discussing about four such opportunities, and this is mostly for the branch 2025 graduating batch. And not only 2025, if you are uh, a student, then please make sure you listen to this video, because few opportunities not just 2025, they are looking for others as well. So all common four has 2025 batch, that's why I'm mentioning 2025 people. Okay, now the first opportunity is VE 3 company. The role name is Python developer intern, but it's not an internship, it's a full-time opportunity. As you can see here, it's a job type is full-time opportunity. Here also they have mentioned the position type is full-time, but the job title is Python developer. So you can read about VE3 technology here, about the organization, how the organization works and everything. Now speaking about the job, the job location is in Pune, and it's all about Python. Okay, so when I say Python, you need to know about the frameworks like Django, Python Flask, and libraries like Pandas, NumPy, all the things related to Python. You must be a very good coder in Python. Okay, they also mention about the development data. You have to work with data, code documentation, testing, debugging. So basically you should be an expert in Django or Flask to implement new features in the projects, and you should be very easily working on Pandas, NumPy, etc., complex data sets. Basically, if you are from a data science background, like computer science specialized in data science or machine learning side, then I'm sure you are very good at Python, right? They also mention about data like SQL, relational databases, and MongoDB, all these things. Familiarity with Git and GitHub is also a plus point here, and just an eagerness to learn new technologies and methodologies. So the benefits are given. So if you want to work in this company, if you want to try it, then the link is in the description, make sure you try it. So this is it about the first job opportunity. Because why I'm saying is because the work experience is 0 to 1 year. That's why if you're graduating in the year 2025, you will be completed your graduation, right? Then you can also apply, and before branches like 2024, 2023 can also apply. It's a full-time position in Pune. So that is it about this job opportunity. Moving ahead, we have Crawl intern from Hyderabad. This is for 2025 batch. Okay, this is for students, not only for B.TECH students. This is for Bachelor of Engineering, Bachelor of Technology, and m.c.a, who are basically graduating in the year 2025. And everybody should have a minimum of 60% in their 10th, 12th, and graduation or post graduation, whatever it is. So 60% is the cutoff for this. And you should be very eager to learn new technologies and work on different technologies. And the work location is Hyderabad. Having a good knowledge on C, C++, Python, VB.NET, all these things is a plus point. So it's if you are a computer science student, then it's a plus point here. And having an idea on database management system like RDMS, SQL, like a backend things is also an helpful thing here. Uh, so nothing much about this. It's a job intern opportunity in Hyderabad. Make sure you apply as soon as possible. Here is the apply button. I will share this link in the description. Moving ahead, we have Codidas. It's an opportunity for freshers, which means who are graduating in the year 2025, and the batch also starts in the year 2025 January. Okay, this also again in the Pune city. It's a full-time opportunity for freshers and the like in IT services. So this is also an coding related job for people in Bachelor of Engineering as well as Bachelor of Technology with computer sciences background, and IT as well. Okay, and the cutoff is 70% year of passing, as I said, 2025 batch. There should not be any standing arrears, and the cutoff for 10th and 12th should be 60% and above. Who are supposed to work in the Pune office for the internship program 5 days of week. it is it is completely work from office, that to Pune office. So you will be get to attend workshops, seminars, interactive sessions, etc, etc. You just have to be a very good coder, like writing, testing and maintaining code at like high quality codes, etc. The stipend details is given here, and the duration is not mentioned here, but it is starting from the January 2025. The work location is Pune and 5 days work from office only. So if you want to apply, if you think you are a good match for this, then make sure you apply. I'll share this link in the description. Moving ahead, we have PayU. This is also a data engineering intern, like having Django and Python as main skills. They need immediate joiners only, and the locations are Bangalore, Gurgaon and Mumbai. So here you can understand that they need immediate joiners, that too for multiple locations. So make sure you apply if you think you are a good match. It's not only for engineering students, it's for statistics students, computer science students, mathematics or similar students. I actually didn't understand what they meant by second and third semester and final year. Second semester means first year, third semester means second year, and final year I actually didn't understand. But they have also mentioned like graduation or post graduation, all types of students like statistics students, mathematics students, engineering students can apply. I actually did not understand much about it, but the internship duration is also 2 to 12 months, no extension beyond 12 months. The locations are given like Mumbai, Bangalore and Gurgaon, and they need people who are good at Python and SQL, Django. There are other benefits of joining this program, like you will get to access like 5,000 plus training courses. Like basically you will get the credentials to get courses in Harvard, Coursera and Udacity. So if you think you're a good match for this job, then make sure you apply here. Apply button is right here, and I'll share this link in the description. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I hope this video is helpful. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, share this video, and please stay tuned so that I'll keep coming with better opportunities. Thank you so much. Bye bye.